Talking Tom. What's your name? Nice name. What should we do? Watch this. I kind of forgot you. Haha. Nice try. Now what should we do?